Dear viewers, we're going to show you today how to make a trifle. We had some leftover cakes. We're going to slice them very thinly. Then we can assemble it later on. We're going to add some jam to it. And then we're going to put it around the bowl. That's the way we're gonna assemble it. We're gonna add in custard to it. We got to put generous amount of custard. Now we're gonna add our cream on top. Now we're going to add our jellies. You can repeat the process again, but I'm not going to do that. Dear viewers, this is my beautiful trifle. Oh, they look yum. We're going to keep them in the fridge now for a couple of hours to settle down, and then we're going to serve. Enjoy the trifle. This is my beautiful trifle. Enjoy.